Hello everyone, I'm here to show you the insert data in the employee table. For do this in this mainframe system, I will import a Json file. So here you can see the JSON statement. There is 30 employees that I will insert in the DB2 table, 30. All statements has a employee identification, password, first name, last name, address, city, zip code, all the statement. This is the main program. This program will call the insertion program. So I will open I will call, sorry, here. This is the main program, amp insert. They will call, it will call the sub insertion. That means this program will call a program who will get the information from the JSON file. Here we can see the open procedure. If there is an error in the open step, they will show me the error and the code related. After, they will get the JSON, but here it's important to know the JSON parser wants the file. You need to put the file in the UTF-8. How I get the file from my computer? I need to send this file for the SFTP connection. After that, I did this conversion, but you can see here the file is in UTF-8 yet. He's still in UTF-8. So because of that, you see the data as strange strings. Here we can see the hexadecimal file. It's the same file, but in hexadecimal. So for do this function works, we need to put the file in UTF-8, but here it already in UTF-8. So they get this file in a variable named WS emplist. All the 30 employees are in this variable. So I need to, and this variable is a table with that occurs 30 times. So you can see here the variable names are the same as in the file. amp ID, pass W, pass W, first name. So it's important to put the same name in the Cobol program as in the file. In the head of the document, you can see that I put the same declaration as WS emplist table, WS emplist table. It's the same name. Because of that, the Cobol JSON parser can do this conversion, can take the data from the UTF-8 file for the program and put all those informations in this variable. After that, I will convert this variable in a DB2 declaration. We need to do that because first name, last name, address, city, and others variables here in the DB2 are declared as varchar. That means variable character. So I need to declare the length of this variable. So here I put the information, the data. For example, Alexander, there is a 9 length 9, so I need to put 9 here. For do that, I will inspect the data in the variable, and I will subtract the total length of the variable. For example, 30 is the total length of last name, and if the last name has length 10, here in count 3 I will find 10. Okay, so I will put this length in the correspondent field. After do this conversion, the program will call another program to make the encryptation, to encrypt the password. This is the procedure to encrypt the password. Here, this program will open a file to put the password encrypted, and they will get the user ID and the admission date to make some calculation and produce a encrypted password. So here you can see the output of this program. For example, here in the first employee, the password is ZZMKDQYB, but in the file we'll find this password encrypted, so it's more safe. It doesn't start in the same database. It is stored in the mainframe as a PS file to give a security of the process. So after that, after make the encryptation, the encrypted program gives back the control to the sub insertion program, and this program will send all the data in the DB2 format to the main program, and the main program will make the insertion in the DB2. So after get back this information, they will do this procedure, and they will insert this information in the DB2. So here you can see the variables from DB2. Here you can see the variables from the program. After that, we can check the data in the table. I will show you this. Just a minute. Sometimes the system gets a delay. So select all from employee. So here you can see all the informations. For example, employee user ID 001. The first name is Mirel, the last name is Torstens. All this data was generated randomly by a system in the internet. So the insertion was successful, and the encrypted process too. This is the Json program who gets the information and make the insertion in the database and make the encryptation and and make the encryptation and put those informations in a PS file. Thank you.